This video will provide an overview of the creation of the Commission's data system, as well as discuss how the Commission collects data. In our previous video, we explored the Commission's website and its many resources and features. Be sure to check out that video using the link below. If you're interested in learning more about the creation of the Commission's data system, as well as how it works, keep watching. The Commission produces a wealth of research through publications as well as through responses to data requests. The Commission uses its custom-built Guidelines Reporting and Information Data System, referred to as the GRID system, to collect and analyze sentencing and case data. The Commission developed the first version of the GRID system in 2013. At the time, the Commission members and staff spent thousands of hours working with its vendor and various DC government agencies to design, construct, and evaluate a data system that received 508 data variables and attributes, which resulted in 232 unique data elements from the Superior Court of the District of Columbia. Prior to the implementation of GRID, the Commission was only receiving 26 sentencing-related variables through its legacy sentencing guidelines system. The increase in data was due to DC Superior Court changing the manner in which it shared data with criminal justice agencies it partnered with. This change required agencies that received the data to make technical changes to its system. The courts implemented a new information sharing system, the Integrating Justice Information System, also called IJIS Outbound 12.1. This system directly pulled data from DC Superior Court's data system, Justice Information System. Before this change, information on adult felony cases before plea or verdict was not available to the Commission, and the Commission had to manually place data into its system. Before the GRID system was activated, the Commission was given access to historic sentencing and case data from the Pretrial Services Agency database, also called PSA database. With this data, the agency was able to evaluate the system's ability to analyze sentencing trends and changes over time. It is important to note that the Commission has since ceased using the PSA database. Since the GRID system was activated, new data entering the system from the DC Superior Court and Court Services and Offender Supervision has been preserved for research and analysis. This data ultimately helps the Commission identify the impact of policy changes or potential modifications to the sentencing guidelines. One of the most important parts of the GRID system is a series of algorithms that allows the system to run each adult felony sentence through the guidelines rules to make an initial determination if a sentence complies with the DC voluntary sentencing guidelines. The GRID system became fully operational in 2014. At the time it went live, the GRID system offered advanced reporting and analysis capabilities that were not otherwise available in the District of Columbia. To get GRID up and running, 3 major steps were taken. These steps encompassed creating security protocols and training users of the system, ensuring charge codes, which are codes that contain the criminal charges that the criminal justice system investigates and prosecutes, were programmed, and adjusting the compliance rule engine. Since its release, the GRID system has been a massive success for the Commission. In 2015, the GRID system's capabilities were further expanded when the Commission began changing the manner that the agency collected criminal history scores from CSOSA. Through the Guidelines Scoring System, also called GSS, the Commission experienced major improvements in the quality and timeliness of the data received from CSOSA. GSS uses multiple functions of the GRID system. Another big enhancement was made in 2021. This enhancement allowed for the GRID system to consume adult felony arrest data sourced from the Metropolitan Police Department. This has allowed the Commission to track an adult felony case from the initial arrest all the way through the final disposition and sentencing. The GRID system receives data from 4 sources: the Superior Court of the District of Columbia, Court Services and Offender Supervision Agency, individual Superior Court judges, and Metropolitan Police Department. The Superior Court provides the Commission with all offense, conviction, and sentencing-related data via an electronic transmission. CSOSA gives the Commission each sentenced individual's criminal history score. Individual judges provide the Commission with information that relates to cases that Commission staff initially classified as non-compliant with the guidelines. It is important to note that the guidelines are voluntary and adult felony sentences do not have to be guidelines compliant. Lastly, MPD provides the agency with felony arrest data daily. Please note that the Commission only receives data for adults. Data related to juveniles and family court proceedings are not captured in the GRID system. With this data, the Commission is able to explore the individual counts sentenced on a case, which is great for exploring adult felony sentencing trends, the most severe count on a given case, which often drives the overall sentence, and offender research, which looks at demographic information, including the number of defendants convicted of a certain offense in a given time period. With access to this information, the Commission is able to explore arrests, papering rates, disposition, and felony sentencing trends. Again, this analysis can be applied to adults only. This data aids the Commission in producing its issue papers, fast facts, responses to data requests, and so much more. Check out the Commission's publication page. If you would like to request data from the Commission, click the link in the description box to fill out a data request. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video. Also, be sure to check out our website at sentencing.dc.gov and follow us on our social media accounts. Links are in the description box below. What topic should the Commission explore in its next video? Leave your thoughts in the comments below.